Okay, in today's video, we're on the golf course and I'm checking out these new golf balls, the Monster 4 from RealLine. What are these? We're about to find out. Let's go. Okay, so what are these? What they've done is, if you've ever soaked your ball in like a saltwater solution, the heavy side sinks down to the bottom. So RealLine, they do that with every ball, and then they mark the top side, what would be the lighter side of the golf ball. I guess they're not all golf balls, or all golf balls are not perfectly weighted. So there's a heavy side. So they put the heavy side down. So in theory, if I put the line to this side, then the ball would curve to the left this way. And then if I went this way, the ball would curve to the right. So I'm gonna put it to the test today on course and see if it really works. We'll check it out. Let's go. All right, first hole with the RealLine. We're just gonna go straight ball, first hole. Ball didn't turn 1 inch. It was perfectly straight. Maybe an inch or two, but pretty solid. Okay, 281 yard drive. I got 107 left. We're going 52 degree. Right at it. Okay, hole 2, we're gonna play a draw here. So I put the line on the right. Perfect cut, have a little maybe 10 footer for birdie. All right, 188, back left pin, play a draw in there, 6 iron. It drew a little bit, it's center of the green. So my thoughts on the RealLine ball. Great concept, the ball does curve to the left and curve to the right. It rolls true putting. It's hard to tell if it's better than any other ball. The curve, definitely it curved. It drew when I wanted to draw, it faded when I wanted it to fade. However, it went about 20 yards shorter than my Pro V1, my Titleist Pro V1. So, just depends. If you're looking for more control, great way to go. If you're looking for more distance, still I think the Pro V1 for me, you know, 20 yards is a big deal. So, that's it. I don't know. Okay, we're going back to the RealLine. Now that we're gonna go back and forth, make sure we're giving it a fair look. No excuses here. Downwind hole, new glove, RealLine ball. Hit a solid shot, just right, but pretty good. Got all of it for sure. Let's see how far it is. Okay, this hole's 389. I have 104 left. So how far did I hit that driver? What is that, 280, 286 or something? Or 284, 285, something like that, one of those. Got a 52 wedge I'm going into this flag with. Perfect, maybe 10 feet uphill for birdie. Okay, we're going RealLine again, give it a second chance, just made birdie. We're gonna cut this to the right over the trees, bender to the right. So the line needs to be on this side. This is the heavy side, so that will be a fade shot. Perfect. Okay, this hole is 361. I mean, I've got like 30 yards left with the RealLine. So what I think was going on is like I just loosened up. You know, like I never try to go all out at first. So I was doing that, and then I started hitting it great. Went to my Pro V, it was bombing it. Then went back to the RealLine. I'm getting a good distance again. It's right there. So have nothing left. I'm going with the 60 for this. Pins in the front. I'm just gonna try to hit a low spinner right in there. Try to get it close I can.
Nice shot. Well done.
I've got like a foot and a half for birdie. So went back to RealLine, birdie, birdie. All right, all right. All right, with the RealLine, for me personally, I don't like the line on top. It messes me up, and every time I put it right on top, I pushed it right. So this time I set it for a draw, perfect draw. 560 yard par 5. I have 270 left, RealLine ball. So 290, pretty good. Okay, here's my summary of the RealLine golf ball. Now, I have to admit, I am a golf ball snob. I admit it. I'm like a Titleist Pro V1, Callaway Chrome Soft. I like the TaylorMade balls. Like, I like the high-end, super awesome golf balls. All right, so I was very skeptical of this. But, and then after I started playing and switched to the Pro V1, the Pro V started going farther, and so I wasn't too thrilled. But I gave it a fair shot. Put it back in play, and once I put it back in play, I went 2 under from that point and shot even par today. I don't typically putt using a line. I just don't. So when I put the line, things just look very awkward for me. Same thing when I drive the ball. If I put the line on top, I hit bad tee shots. I pushed them mostly. But when I set up for a draw and a fade by doing this and this, I hit fantastic tee shots pretty much every single time. And once I put it back in play, it went every bit as far as my Pro V1. So, I'll leave a link below for these. They make a few different models. Actually, they sent me a bunch, so I'm gonna keep using them till I lose them, or they're chewed up, because I actually kind of like them. And I like the way they sound. I like the feel. The short game was pretty awesome with these as well. Let me know what you think. If you ever tried these, let me know. And like the video, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'll see you in the next video. Those are the birdie putts I like a foot long.